Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a fascinator. If you do not know how I got to this stage, you should click on the link showing on your screen right now so you watch the video on how I achieved this particular stage. So I'll be using this placemat. So just watch how I'm going to bend it, how I'm going to form the particular shape I want to form. Watch closely, okay? So I'll just fold it this way and try and gather it at the down. Can you see? Can you see the shape I'm forming? Just watch closely, you'll get it right. So next I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew down that place, to sew it well, to stitch it well, so that it will maintain this particular shape that I have formed already of this part of my fascinator. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see your fascinators. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos. So right now, I'm going to take this particular design I formed and place it on this part of my fascinator. So now I'm going to stitch this my placemat on this my fascinator. Okay, you can see how it's already looking more beautiful, right? So I'll keep stitching until it is very firm. Like I said, if you do not understand how I made this particular red fascinator before I attached the placemat, you should go back and watch the video. So I'll keep stitching my fascinator. I'll keep sewing the placemat on the fascinator until it is very firm. And then while you're sewing, you need to be careful so that your thread does not get hooked somewhere. Because of how this particular placemat is, if you're not careful, your thread can get hooked where it is not supposed to get hooked, right? So you have to be careful. You need to check both parts and you need to make sure that you're making an invisible stitch, right? You can see that I keep turning, to see the the inside or the under of your fascinator should be neat, right? So it has to be invisible stitches that you will do to get it neat work, right? So watch closely so you can easily practicalize. So like I was saying, subscribe to my channel, please. Then feel free to share this video so that it will reach more people, right? So more people will learn how to make fascinators. So the algorithm will push it to much more people and much more people will learn how to make fascinators, right? That's amazing. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurt.
So now that I'm done stitching my placemat or straw mat onto my fascinator, I'm going to now, the part where I cut out my thread now, of course, I'm going to use my feather, part of the feather that I used to embellish my fascinator. I'll apply some glue on it and use it to cover up that place. Okay, so please remember to practicalize. I would love to see your fascinators. That is my WhatsApp number showing on your screen. When you make yours, you can send it to me. I'll be glad to see it. So now I'm just going to ensure that no other place should be covered. You understand? Like I want to ensure that my work is neat and this is what we have.